So friends, let's see today's delicious soft Mysore Pak recipe. So now in a pan, I've added 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan, and we're going to roast this for at least 2 to 3 minutes on a very low flame till you get the lovely aroma of this chickpea flour. So continuously stir the flour, and once that is done, we're just going to sift it so that we don't have any lumps in our Mysore Pak. This is very important that you sieve it or sift it. Don't skip this step. Now once we're done with sifting it, we're going to add half a cup of melted ghee or clarified butter and whisk this mixture really well till it is nice and smooth and set it aside. Now in another pan, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, that is regular sugar, and 1/4 cup of water. Turn the flame on to low and you're going to mix this mixture till all of the sugar dissolves. So keep stirring the mixture on a low to medium flame. And you're going to stir this mixture for at least 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, just check for a 1-thread consistency. So on the back of the spoon, when the mixture cools a little, you should get this 1-thread consistency. So that means our sugar syrup or our pak is ready. Now once that is ready, we're going to add our chickpea flour and clarified butter mixture that we prepared. Keep your flame on very low and try to use a non-stick pan. That makes work much more easier. And then just keep stirring the mixture on a very low flame. And after a minute of stirring, you're going to add 6 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Again, melted butter, clarified butter or ghee. The reason is that Mysore Pak has this lovely distinct taste of ghee, and it also gives it that perfect consistency. Otherwise, your Mysore Pak will be very dry. So you need to add this melted clarified butter or ghee. So again, after a minute of stirring, add another 6 teaspoons. So altogether we added 12 teaspoons of ghee or clarified butter. This will give it the perfect consistency. And now we're going to stir the mixture for another 2 minutes till it starts to leave the sides of the pan and it all comes together like this. So our mixture is ready. You can turn off the heat or the flame and you get this beautiful aroma of the mixture. Now I've just greased a tray with some clarified butter or ghee and I'm just going to pour this mixture into this greased tray. And then I'm just going to level it up and smoothen it out. Now since we used a non-stick pan, all of the mixture came out really easily. And then just flatten it up. And now we're just going to set it aside at room temperature to cool down for 20 minutes. You don't need to refrigerate it. Just keep it aside at room temperature for 20 minutes. And after 20 minutes, just loosen the edges. And then just cut them into small squares or rectangles, whatever you prefer. So I first cut them into these squares and then again I cut them later on into smaller halves. And they come out so easily and you can see how well they have set. And it's really, really soft and delicious. Can't wait to dig into these. They're really delicious. So in this way I demolded all the rest. And then, like I said, I cut each square again into halves and I stored them in a steel container at room temperature. You don't need to refrigerate this. And your Mysore Pak is all ready. I have a recipe for the other type of Mysore Pak, which is the more crunchy and crispy one. I'll leave a link to that too. So give this recipe a try, guys, and I'll catch you soon in my next recipe. Bye.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.